Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to track order on goat sneaker and apparel app. Now if you want to track the order on goat sneaker and apparel app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now once if you have placed the order on goat, you want to track it easily and securely but you don't know how to do it, then you need to open the goat app on a device. So make sure that you have installed the goat app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that, this is the home page of goat app where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. You need to go on the profile icon at the very bottom right of the page and you'll see various options of wants, orders and goat storage and orders inspiration. So click on the option of orders at the very bottom and here you'll see the various option of purchase and sold. So if you have purchased anything and you want to track the order of it, you need to simply tap on the order which you want to track and the order will have a status update such as processing, shipped, delivers and others. If your order has been shipped, then tap on the order and you'll see the view tracking information. So it will provide you with the tracking number, link to the shipping carrier. For example, if it is being sent by UPS, then they will send you a tracking number of it and you'll be able to track the orders like this in a very easy step. So that's it. That's how you can track your order on goat sneaker and apparel app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.